plant trees that belong here in Aotearoa, that were here before humans arrived. Trees that were here all the time that belong here. So we're recreating a native ngāhere. You are very lucky here in Tūrangi. You've got a lot more native trees. I'm looking up there at your beautiful maunga covered in native forest, which is pretty special. Wanting to bring back biodiversity. Biodiversity is just a big word that means lots of different living things. Well done, I'll throw you a high five. Good job! What aki means, right? What's aki mean? Forever and ever. The plant itself doesn't last forever and ever. It's quite short-lived. It's about 50, will go for about 50 years. But the wood from the plant was really hard and really durable, and it was used to make tools, anything that needed to really last. When the European settlers arrived, they used it to make machine parts and things if they couldn't get metal because it's so hard. So what do we do with the spade? Drill. Use it like a drill. Cool. Pop your tablet in. What are we going to do next? I'm going to do that over the hole so I can catch the potting mix in the hole. Just going to loosen the roots out. Put that into that, look about the right depth. Not too deep, not too shallow. Cool. Ninja hands, pushing it in. And then stomp your feet around where it's not too... Oh, that's good. Nice and tight. Does anyone know what kind of tree this one is? My favourites too. This one's a manatu. Manatu is also called ribbonwood sometimes, and it's one of the fastest growing trees. So probably if you come back next year, it'll already be this tall, and by the next year, it'll be this tall. This name ribbonwood tells you a little bit about it. It's underneath the bark. It has this beautiful ribbon, like lacy ribbon, and that ribbon was traditionally used to weave from things like headdresses, special clothing items. Really important, rongoa plant as well.